Hello there and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic, interjections. This is part one of this topic, interjection, and you must know in Nigerian Pidgin English. Interjections, or should we call them exclamatory expression words, are words that express a burst of emotion used between sentences or clauses to express feelings such as surprise, agreement, celebration, confusion, anger, pain, ouch, regret, sadness, admiration, disgust, congratulations, sympathy. For example, wow, nice work, I'm impressed. Ugh, I can't believe how dirty this place is. Woohoo! I'm traveling to the Maldives for my honeymoon. Cool. I didn't know you could open a beer with your teeth. No. I thought the meeting is supposed to start at 10. Awesome. We can watch a movie together this weekend. Oops. I think I dialed the wrong number by mistake. Jeez. He's always here every day to see Linda. Apart from these English interjections, which Nigerian Pidgin English speakers are quite familiar with, they have their own special relexicalization of some of these English exclamatory expressions. They also have translated exclamatory words derived from some Nigerians' indigenous languages, while majority are untranslated exclamation used in their quotidian communicative acts. Let me take you into a journey of Nigerian Pidgin English emphatic utterances. Heads up, some of these words might not be easily pronounced by non-Nigerians. Just pay attention and try to capture the sounds. I'll break them down into topics. Number one, emphatic denial. At all, at all, at all. For where? Example, you know that criminal? Response, me? I don't know Amu. At all, at all, at all. For where? Surprise, shock, or disappointment. Number two, haba. Oh boy. Jeez. Shoo. Chai. Chay. Wow. For real? Now wow. Eh? Ah. Nah, man. Kai. Imagine. Can you imagine? No wonder. Wonder shall never end. Example. You know say Kafi don't get belle. Eh? Now wow. You can use any of the above surprise, shock, interjections above. Number three, pain. Ah, yay, yay. When the pain is intense or excruciating. Yay, yay, yay. I don't die. Ah, ah, ah. I don't die. Number four, pity, sadness. Hey, yeah. Example, her grandmama just mourn. They say that somebody buy the old woman. Ah, hey, yeah. Number five, regret. Oh, ah, ah. You put your index finger in between your teeth. When you do that, and you nod your head from side to side. Ah, confusion. Hey, 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 ah. The men just put their hands on their head and go, ah, or they rub their hand, ah, ah. For the female counterparts, no offense, it's a different ball game. They do the same thing as the men and add some extra drama by running around or hopping around. Number 7, emphatic rejection. There are several emphatic expressions to reject whatever somebody says in Nigerian Pidgin English, especially if it is a bad utterance directed to somebody. For example, back to sender. Sending back the bad vibes or bad words directed to you. This is a more spiritual confession. To say the last 2 emphatic rejections, you throw your hands like this to the front and snap your middle finger to the thumb to have this click. Or you swing your hand around your head, and have the same click, your middle finger to your thumb, and you click it. And you go like, God forbid, God forbid. Or you go like, God forbid bad thing, God forbid bad thing. Other emphatic expressions used for rejections are, no be my portion. No be my portion. Or you can say, no be your portion. No be your portion. Guys, this is so interesting. This is just part 1. The part 2, we have more and more to come. So the part 2 is going to be fun, and make sure you don't miss it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep it locked on BDNP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin. Pieces in. Bye.